Bold, rich, spicy, and unique. That's how I describe the flavors and textures of these Balinese dishes.
And she said I can eat them all separately, but like, look how good that looks.
Today I'm taking you to a popular family-run local warung to try some of Bali's boldest flavors and textures. I'm alone, but I'm gonna try a bunch of things on the menu. Some people come to Bali for the beaches, the parties, and the spiritual healing, but me, I think I've come for the food. So let's eat.
Cheers to the Balinese.
It's time for the next adventure. Pack your cyber bags and let's go! Like, share, and subscribe for more travel, food, and fun. Here we are in Denpasar, Bali's capital city, and it's where all the delicious local food is. Hi, I'm Melanie, a Canadian living abroad, and I love exploring new things. And this is not a food channel, but you know, you're gonna find a lot of food here. I find it so exciting to learn about new foods that I've never tried before. It's always an adventure, but I've got to be honest. I'm here, I've never been here, I don't know how it works. It's a little intimidating, but everyone was so nice and welcoming. I was a little lost and confused, but this lovely lady came to my rescue and helped me order because she spoke English.
Hi. You're not Debbie, are you? Are you Debbie? No.
Okay. What do you want for it? You wanna like a traditional snack in Bali?
They don't even work here. They're just helping me.
You're just alone?
Yeah. All the food.
All the food?
I'm excited. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. What's your name?
Debbie.
You're Debbie?
Yeah.
Are you the Debbie? She's the Debbie. Oh my god.
My name is Debbie. My mom give our Warung Rujak.
Oh, so this is your place. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for talking with me. Excited. Look at all this food. Indonesia has so many different islands, and each little island has its own unique flavors. We're going to sample the magic touch of Balinese style cuisine, and I'm so excited. I've got 4 dishes and this delicious drink. I think it's called Warung, and it's my first time trying it. It is a kind of sweet drink. It actually tastes like, have you ever had Captain Crunch cereal? It's kind of like sweet with that sort of like, maybe like a corn flavor. And it's got these green jellies in it, which I'll show you. I don't know if this is meant to be like a dessert or a drink, but this is so good. Honestly, I love the flavor of Captain Crunch. How do they do this? Here we have Rujak. I've tried Rujak a few different times. I chose this one, but you can literally get so many different kinds. This one has the palm sugar, and you can get white sugar instead. Get different fruits if you want. You get fish sauce. They did it with 1 chili because I have to spare my taste buds and be able to film still. Is this a sugar apple, air apple? I forget. Jambu? Ooh, oh, spicy. This is only 1 chili. I can do it. I think this is pineapple. The pineapple is good. So it's like sweet, tangy, and spicy. And then the refreshing fruit. So it's really great for a hot day. Actually not sure what this one is. Oh, mango. I think it's mango. Next up, we have this seaweed dish. White and green seaweed, as well as some little peanuts and some flavorings. Oh, it looks like it's got some shredded coconut. I've actually never even seen this kind of seaweed before, so this is new for me. So, cheers to the Balinese.
There's a shrimp or fish kind of flavor mixed with the perfect amount of spice, contrasted with the coconut.
Really never tasted anything like this. The different textures and flavors. It's very, very unique, and I quite like it actually. Kind of salty. I really like the texture of the seaweed washed down with my Captain Crunch drink. Oh, look how delicious this looks. This is, I think it's called Tipat, but it's similar to Lontan. I don't know what the difference is, but this is, I think, pressed rice, and it's got these peanuts and vegetables, that crushed peanut sauce. Deliciousness.
It's rich, kind of spicy, kind of sweet, delicious.
Some crunchy bits, refreshing bits. Texture and flavor heaven. Can't get enough of this drink. It's really good. I think this is a little bit of tofu. Dessert. So this is a bunch of Balinese desserts, and she said I can eat them all separately, but like, look how good that looks. Oh my lord. Delicious. So it's got a bunch of different things going on. Kind of want to mix them all together. How does one choose? I do prefer a fork. So there's this dark rice. Molassesy flavor. It actually reminds me a little bit of flavors that my grandmother used to make. I think it must be the Sigula Malacca here, palm sugar. That sort of rich, Christmassy deliciousness. This is shredded coconut here. It tastes like it's soaked. I almost want to say like liqueur, or liqueur flavor, but it's so mild. This is really good. What's this one? Actually saw this online. Ooh, it's like an octopus. Yummy. I like it. It's very chewy. It needs some of this. I'm gonna have it with a bit of the rice and the coconut. Oh, that's why it came with a spoon. And then there's this one. I like the way it's all kind of chewy. This one isn't that sweet. I don't even taste that much of a flavor on this part, but the texture is really lovely. And then especially with like the flavors, the bit stronger flavors of the rice and the coconut, it's really delicious. This one looks like a pancake. It tastes like a pancake. Kind of looks similar to the yellow one. They're all kind of chewy, but they all have like a bit of a different flavor. This looks like some sort of rice pocket. Pressed rice. So it's got brown and white rice. I really like the jelly things. Kind of squishy. I wonder what they're made of. Maybe glutinous flour or something. When in Bali. Also, I hope you're subscribed. I've been posting for 2.5 years. Every week at least. You better be subscribed. I need some motivation to keep going.
A quick stop to say hi to Debbie's mom, the owner, and Debby is gonna give us a tour of the rest of the location. Hi, Debbie's mom. Now that I'm deliciously full with a home-cooked Balinese meal, Debby is giving me a tour of the rest of the area. They definitely had me feeling like VIP, so thank you very much. To the left is where the family will spend time together making offerings, getting ready for ceremonies and things like that. And then there's another area where they will relax, hang out as a family, and also there's little tables where the rest of the guests can eat. And I love these lower Balinese style tables. I should have sat at one of those. I didn't see it till it was too late. They're so cute. It's very comforting, warm, and they were so welcoming. And then of course, Debby showed me their temple because spiritual practice is highly intertwined with Balinese culture. So it is a must at every home. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. As you can see, it is lunchtime and super busy. There's guests sitting everywhere, and you can also order online. And next up, Debby is showing me her private kitchen. So this is her kitchen that is actually outside, which I found quite unique. So that's just for her and her family if they want to cook something for themselves outside of the restaurant. And then this is the second kitchen, which is actually used for the business. So this is where they would be cooking the different foods, such as my teapot. And this is Debby's grandma. I love it. So sweet. And guests can either come in through the side door, which goes past their kitchens, or through the front door, which is where I came in. So it's a very welcoming, very family style, traditional Balinese food, and I hope you can check them out if you're in Bali.
Thank you, Debby. The Debby.
Hello.
I think I got enough. What do you think? Buying the whole store. I'm sure people love them. Snake fruit.
You can pay cash or with QR code if you have a local bank account. And for my entire feast, I paid 77k rupiah or approximately $4.75 USD for all that food. And then for my entire bag of snacks, I paid 180k rupiah or approximately less than $1 USD. What a steal. Oh my gosh.
The Balinese style food definitely has a different flavor than East Java food, which seems to be a little bit more heavy and rich, like rawon and things like that. West Java is lighter and fresher, but it definitely feels healthy, unique flavor. It's very intricate, lots of textures going on. So if you come into Bali, make sure you try the real Balinese food. And if you want to check out my other videos, check out right here.